Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Musinzi and welcome back to this video. Thank you so much for clicking by. Please watch the video till the end. So today we are going to be renovating our sofa or couches. Yes, we've had these seats for some time now, maybe 2 years or so, and we kind of really wanted to change. We wanted a change, wanted something comfortable. So as you can see, my carpenter came by. He's going to be doing the upholstery from within my house, but today he came by to check on the materials and also to measure the sofa set, and also to check on the fabric, and then he will leave with the fabric to go and what do you call it, to go and tailor it to fit the sofa, so that when he comes he'll just be upholstering. Yeah, so we are counting the spring. These are the spring that will be used on the cushion, on the sitting cushion. Yes, I got the spring from Dr. Mattress here in Mombasa along Links Road. They have a branch along Links Road in Nyali. Yeah, so I ordered for these. I went with the measurements for my sofa and they were able to customize, and I got these springs that will be used to make the couches, the sitting cushion. I wanted something comfortable and something that will last for long, so I decided to go for the spring. So right here he's just taking the measurements of the sofa. We are going to change the design as well, you will see later on. So there's going to be a small change on the sofa. Apart from changing the fabric, we'll be changing the design. As you can see, the fabric has really become so dirty. It is run down. It has a bit of a rundown. Yeah, it's been used for some time. So we're just taking the measurements. This is a few days before. Then he will come back again on the day that he's going to be doing the final work. Yes. So I got this fundi from my carpenter who did my dining chairs, and I can say he's very reliable. He came the first time, we discussed about the work that we wanted to be done, and then he came the second time, which is now. He's taking the measurements. He was able to advise me on materials that I need to buy. Before the first time he came, he told me about the materials that I need. He gave me a quotation. So I've been buying these things slowly. First I bought the fabric, and then I got the springs from Dr. Mattress, and then I got other things that are needed, or you will see in the video. So I bought them. I was buying them little by little when I got money. Yeah, so now finally I have enough money. I've saved up enough money for him to come and do the renovation, and also to revamp, so that we can revamp our space. Yes, I wanted something cozy and something inviting in the house, so that the family can really enjoy an intimate space together. Yes, and I felt like, you see the chairs, you see the fabric, the way it's run off. Yeah, we've used it for 2 years. This is 2 years. Yeah, and when they were made, they were really nice. I really loved the fabric. That time green was the color, but now we are going neutral. People are going neutral, so that is the in color. That's what we'll be doing. So I'm so excited about this activity, this project, and I look forward to a good outcome. Yeah. So this is a few days later. The fundis came back. They came, now there are 2. So they will work on the sofa. I hope, they say they will do it within a day. Yeah, so we were able to bring the sofas up to the rooftop where we have enough space, even though there's a lot of sun, but it's morning, so the sun is on one side. We were able to work on the side that has a shade. So right about now, the fundi is removing, the carpenter, or what do you call the upholstery fundi, the upholstery technician is now removing the fabric Yes, so they're going to, first of all, they're going to demolish, remove the fabric, and then once we get inside, once everything is done, we'll get into the works now of renovating the inner part, changing the design, and then finally covering. As you can see, we are all here, even the baby is up here. Yeah, we're really excited about this, so we're just looking forward to a really good outcome. And stay tuned till the end. Please watch, like the video, and you can leave a comment. And if you like the outcome, you can as well get the contacts I will share with you, because I know he's a reliable person and I can share his contacts if you need. Yeah, so stay tuned. Finally, I want to see, when they were making this sofa, I was not there, so I don't know what they did inside. The covering can look really nice, but inside is just something else. Yeah, so we're about to see what actually the previous person who did the sofa, what kind of job they did on the sofa. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. If you're new here, my name is Miss Musinzi. I'm a content creator, I'm a mother, and please subscribe to the channel. Step of the way. Wow. Finished removing the fabric. Almost done. Finished removing the fabric, so the fabric is out. Sasa kuweka sasa. Unasema inanunuliwa ni ya kuwekwa wapi? We are ongoing. Some of the materials we got. Inabaki. Ndio? Hiyo inabaki. Oh. Yeah. Kama unataka tuongezee zingine. Ongeza. So utaongeza gani kwa gani kwa ile? Sasa mpaka tununue siku basi. Hizo ni za suit. Usiongeze kwa sababu nitatengeneza cushion baadaye labda. Ile ya mgongo, Lakini utanipea kazi ya kuja kubomoa hii basi. Kwa nini ubomoe? Umekatia kidogo ama zile kubwa? Dogo. Hii unataka kuniambia kama ile design ya The carpenters began by removing the old green fabric, and then once everything was removed, they then redesigned the single sofa into a stylish L-shaped set. They assembled the springs, worked on the cushions, and upholstered everything afresh. We had 2 fundis working on completing the job, and we hope that by the end of the day the project will be over.
I don't know a lot about life. Half of the day I'm just trying to survive, stay in the light. I don't know a lot about love, but I bet it better not include giving me up or cut people up. Yeah. So to save my sanity, you be you and I'll be me. I can't change your destiny if you don't wanna be free. But if there's one thing I know, then it's okay to let go, let go. If there's one thing I know, then it's okay, okay. If there's one thing I know, then it's okay to let go, let go. If there's one thing I know, then it's okay to let go. But it's okay, it's okay, okay. It's okay, it's okay, okay. It's okay, it's okay, okay. To let go, let go. It's okay, it's okay, okay. It's okay, it's okay, okay. It's okay, it's okay, okay. To let go, let go. Yeah, I know a lot about you and all the unbelievable pain you had to go through. I've seen your blue, but that's no excuse for the way you use my endless sympathy. You kept on playing and rearranging parts of reality. But now I know that it's okay to let go, let go. If there's one thing I know, then it's okay, okay. If there's one thing I know, then it's okay to let go, let go. If there's one thing I know, then it's okay to let go. But it's okay, it's okay, okay. It's okay, it's okay, okay. It's okay, it's okay, okay. To let go, let go. It's okay, it's okay, okay. It's okay, it's okay, okay. It's okay, it's okay, okay. To let go, yeah. Oh, it's okay, I'm done with it. 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 I'm so done with it.
So right about now, the new fabric is being fitted onto the sofa, and I can see the design is finally taking shape. I must say, I've really gone bold with this color choice. It's different. It's actually different from what I would actually usually go for. And with a toddler in the house, I don't know how I will manage, but I will have to manage now. And this is the second cushion that is being made. Yeah, so he's assembling the cushion covers and the spring together, and then it will make the cushion insert that will be used like the cushion for sitting on.
Bounce. This one is complete. Please enjoy. Jangan dong. Siap lo kan apa? Beautiful sunset. Finalizing the job here.
So I've already shown you the before pictures and the video, and as you can see, we went for a neutral beige color this time, and we paired with burnt orange and brown throw pillows, which gave the sofa a warm, cozy feel. And also with the L-shaped design, the family can feel more cozy and intimate together when spending time watching TV or even just conversing. Yeah, so I hope you like the outcome. Yeah, please comment down below what you think about this transformation video, and please like the video and subscribe. Yeah, so this is a few days later. The fundis actually finished very late in the night. I wasn't able to continue with the recording. Yeah, so, and also needed to rest a few days. So today I found time and did actually the after to show you the outcome of the renovation.